Controller, if I had to guess. What's the button out here? Oh, whoa. Oh, here it says Brimann. Interesting. Very cool. Never seen these buttons before. That's probably where the old logo and stuff was. Look at that. That was added. I'm sure this whole front wall was added. It probably had either automatic doors on the inside or no inner doors. All right, down to one. Probably the manual logic. Whew. Bouncy stuff. Oh, this still has the actual thing. Anyway, we'll go back up. What a cool car panel. Very simple.